So good day everyone. Today we'll explore the interconnected ideas, fairness, bias, and security. These concepts are key to making decisions and conducting assessment are just reliable and credible. Let's proceed. Fairness. What is fairness? Fairness is about treating people in a way that is just reasonable and respectful. But it doesn't have only one meaning. Different situation call for different interpretation of fairness. Today, we'll tackle at five major we familiar and commonly understood. The first is fairness impartiality. This means treating people without favoritism and prejudice. Everyone follows the same rules and decisions are made based on relevant facts, personality, references. In other words, fairness here about neutrality and consistency. The second, fairness as equity. This this is about recognizing that when everyone start from our place, the same place. So treating everyone exactly the same isn't always fair. Instead, fairness may mean giving people support they need to each similar communities and as example offering extra help to someone who face greater challenge. The third is fairness as reciprocity. This idea this idea of balance in give and take. People receive benefits or consequences in proportion to the we contribute and reflects the idea of shared responsibility. It's like you do you do your part, I do mine. The fourth one is fairness justified expectation. Fairness means that action and outcomes match the role, agreements or standards that people considered reliable. This includes legal fairness, moral fairness, and procedural fairness. Even if someone doesn't like outcomes, they may still feel it's fair. The process was transparent and consistent. The last one is fairness as moral respect. Understanding focus on dignity and rights on of individual. Fairness here means exploiting or coercing others and treating everyone worthy of respect. It's about and recognizing our shared humanity. Some so everyone we must always in our mind and fairness isn't just one thing, it has multiple dimensions. Impartiality, equity, reciprocity, justified expectation, and moral respect all captured different valuable ways of understanding fairness. When we consider this together, we make decisions that are more thoughtful, just and compassionate. Thank you.
So we will continue with that last topic which is all about the test security and the measures used to protect the assessments, exams, and any certifications. So by that, we strongly test security ensures that the results truly reflect a test taker's knowledge or any skills. So test security refers to the strategies and procedures that safeguard assessment to make sure that the results are valid, reliable and able to accurately measures what they are supposed to measure. So the next is we have the key aspects of this security include confidentially, which means they are keeping information private and secure to maintain the security and without any authentication or sharing it on only authorized individuals only can access it. So by that we have the authenticity, which focuses on confirming the identity like dual authentication. So they are who they claim to be integrity, which involves honestly uh, any kind of trustworthiness and preventing cheating, tampering, or unauthorized changes to protect the fairness accuracy on any assessment. So the next is the access control, which means they can limit access to any sensitive information or materials only it authorized individuals or system that truly to ensure that the only with permissions can view, edit, or use them in any documents. They can use it in any work or in any stuff. So the test security also faces common threats such as cheating, because the cheating occurs when someone uses dishonest things and unfair methods to gain advantage. For example, they uh, they they use access like hackers. They use link codes to access or to program your account or any social account by that. So or there are unfair methods to gain advantage such as looking at another person's answers or using authorized materials like smartphones, like watches or other gadgets during a test. So they are provided with that. To prevent situation like this, every testing room should have assigned personnel to monitor and maintain the security of the assessment.
Good morning, everyone. I continue the report importance of test security. Test security refers to the protection of test materials, procedure, and results to ensure the exam are conducted fairly, honestly, and without cheating or tampering. Then there are three concepts to ensure test security. First is the validity. Test security help maintain validity, meaning the test accurately measure what students really know. If cheating or test leakage occur, the result will not reflect true learning. Validity cadangan. Second is fairness. A secure test environment ensure fairness for all examined. Everyone has some opportunity and no one benefits from unauthorized access of cheating. Third is credibility. With strong test security, the school, teacher, and the exam itself become more credible. People can trust that the score are genuine and honestly earned. So, in conclusion, test security is essential in ensuring that assessment remain valid, fair, and credible by protecting test material and preventing cheating, leakage, and tampering. We ensure that everyday learners' performance truly reflect their own knowledge and effort. A secure testing environment not only strengthens the integrity of the result, but also build trust in the school and the overall educational process. Therefore, maintaining test security not just a role it is a responsibility that support honest evaluation and quality learning. That's all. Thank you.